What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So again, we're going to talk about Harvest Finance, Farmcoin, what's going on, what I believe this is going to get to, what I'm deciding to do with my positions. Now, make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. Now, if you didn't see my last Harvest Finance video, I did talk about how much I had. I did talk about how things were going to make some moves, and I didn't really expect to see the moves that I've seen. So we're going to get into some of the details after that video. We're also, going to get into a lot of other stuff here. So let's go ahead and dive in. So Harvest Finance, is at about $32, almost $33 or so. If you don't know why I love this position, it's because the circulating supply is so low with popularity being so high. Typically, you look for circulating supplies in the millions, sometimes billions. Right now, in today's world, we're looking for trillions at times, just to be able to reduce the supply and give everybody a chance to have it run up from the lows to the highs. Um, it kind of you're looking at it instead of getting in early, like you're getting in when everybody else is getting in. It's just whenever you decide to sell is the time where you're going to make a lot of your money. So most people want to get into a position early, but with things that are in the trillions, you're getting into the position, the same time. And then, some of those other people that just don't believe in it or just don't want to see it play out, they end up selling at those points. We end up burning some, and then those people that hold on for a long period of time and incentivizes longer term holds. But that's not what we're talking about here. What we are talking about is Harvest Finance, which has a lower circulating supply. As you can see right above my head, you're going to see that the circulating supply is 678,000 coins, not millions, 678,000, which is 98% of the total supply. Total supply, you have 696,000. So you're looking at about 700,000 coins in total. So all of the supply is out there. You can't have any type of dilution. And with a lower supply, less volume actually, moves it a lot more because let's say if something had, 10 or let's say 1,000 coins, right? And you decided to buy 100 of those coins, well, that's 10% of that overall supply, and now you're going to move the price a heck of a lot. So this is what we've kind of seen where less people are buying, right? You see it's down 30% today, or 30% in volume today, but it's down 7% overall. A lot of things in the crypto market are falling. But again, I wanted to talk about what had happened in the last couple of days last day or so, basically. Um, so again, we're at $32.64, down 7.13%. We're at a $22 million market cap, which shows a lot of room for growth. And if we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, what happened in the last day? Well, in the last day or so, I made a video and then it kind of was a coincidence that things really picked up. It jumped up to about $42 before decreasing down to where it is now, creating a lower high and a lower low. So this kind of came to everybody's attention and said, is it because you made that video why it jumped? Is that the reason? Are you kind of manipulating this? And I'll tell you, no, I'm not. But to tell you the truth, this is a test video. I guarantee you, and I promise you guys, I will not sell a single thing. But this is sort of a test video, really, to put it out there, because it's interesting that the last two times that I created a farm video, technically three times that I created a farm video, we had increases. The first one, I gathered about 4,000, 5,000 views, and it grew up to $285, from $100 up to $285. And then the second time I did it, it grew from about 80, or no, it grew from about 90, no, 88. $88 all the way up to 120. So it ended up having a decent sized increase after I created that video. And now, I create this last video where it moved from 27, where I bought at, all the way up to a high of $42. So realistically, you're seeing a decent size increase, right? Basically 30%, 40% of an increase in a matter of 24 hours. Now, again, we have seen things drop down. I'm still holding on to my 71. That's in Coinbase Pro. I have 71 here. And then I still have 31 that's over in um, crypto.com. And I did not buy any more. I just want to be honest with you guys. I did not buy any more. This is sort of a test run to see if I actually have that much influence on lower positions. So I don't know if I do, but it was freaking interesting that it seems like it either is a coincidence or it's not. I mean, this is the fourth time that we'd be trying this. Third time is kind of a charm, right? It means a lot. So, anyways, I do see a lot of potential in farm. This is why I continue to hold on to it. Am I going to make these moves when, it does run up to $200, $300 or $400? Yeah, I have my short term moves in mind, but it's not 100 coins. It's not 200 coins. It's not 2,000 coins. We're literally sitting on 100 coins total, which is not something that can necessarily move the market. But with everybody else that may be deciding to buy it, that might be a potential chance to do that. So this is the reason why I wanted to make this video, not because I had anything else to add, because I pretty much added everything that I wanted within that video, talking about how this market cap is a very low market cap. When we see a bull run, things are going to actually move to higher and higher levels, getting to 100, 200, 300, 400, $500, even up to $1,000 or so. We had that whole entire breakdown within that last video. But again, is it a coincidence that this has happened three times? Um, it may be. I feel like I don't have that much swing or that much sway on the markets or on different cryptocurrency right now or anything, not just right now, but anytime. So you let me know if you think it was a coincidence, because I've gotten maybe three comments asking me if I'm moving the market for my own financial gain. And no, I mean, I didn't even know I had that much sway if that's the case. I mean, with something that has little supply, it's possible, but this is not a small enough supply with the amount of subscribers that I have, the amount of people that are viewing the videos. So, again, FarmCoin has long term potential, right? I'm looking at it for the long term potential, and I have some short term potential as well, where I'm looking for certain prices like 200. I'm looking for certain prices like 250. All of those things, that's what I want to see, but I want to see it grow with the market, not against the market. Does that make sense? So we'll see. We definitely have our work cut out for us, because the market is down, and it's down 7.52% over the day. So if all of a sudden we post this video and then the next 24 hours it ends up growing up to $42 again, I mean, that's pretty insane, right? So uh, we'll see. Guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel quite a bit. Now, remember, I'm just being honest with you guys. Like, this is literally a test here, right? I'm not doing it for my financial gain. I'm not doing it for anybody else's financial gain. Um, I do believe in the position, and I wanted to talk to you about the position. And we're gonna see, um, you know, how much sway this does have. If that's funny to some people, I really don't think that things like this should be joked around with, because it's people's money and livelihood that's in a lot of these positions. And I'm not saying that I want to sway anything. um, what I want to see is that if any one person can have a push and pull of a position, this kind of confirms thoughts of institutions and big money doing something a lot worse with different cryptocurrencies and standard investments and stocks and index funds, all these different things, right? So it just kind of confirms my doubts about um, the world as it is today. So, anyways, like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully, you don't take offense to this video. Um, and also, if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, ask me any questions, go over to Twitter @Perry8K. You can follow me over there. But I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.